This is a mini lesson on Manila paper, also called tag paper. We use this to transfer our paper patterns into the manila and make them blocks, okay? Now, the Manila paper, surprise, surprise, has a grain line similar to fabric, and I'll explain. So what I've done here is sort of cut out a mini version. Normally it's about 45 inches long or 60 inches long, okay, in the width, or, you know, so it would be 45 inches or 60 inches wide. All right, so this is like a mini me, and it's going to come out rolled like this, okay? So the cardboard would be under there. So it comes out rolled. So pretend here it is, and you unroll it like that. This is considered the straight of grain. So it would be like that. So think about like if it's a bolt of fabric and you roll it out. This goes up and down straight. This would be the cross, okay? So once again, pretend this is the big bolt. You unroll it. This is your straight of grain. This is the selvage. This is cross grain. Okay, got it? So when you're folding it, you want to not fold this way. You want to fold this way. Okay? So once again, this is the roll that you got. And then I ask you to cut and fold. You're not going to cut and fold this way. You're going to cut and fold that way. Got it? Why? Because it's a crisper fold. Now let me show you an example. So here it is. So I'm going to cut. Okay, so now if I did this incorrectly and I folded it this way, watch. Look at that ugliness. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's wrinkled. It doesn't provide a crisp cut. It's almost telling you, you cut me in the wrong grain, all right? But if I did it this way, you can even see it, see? But if I did it this way, watch. Sharp as a knife, all right? So make sure that you are cutting it. Look, you can even see the difference. Sharp, correct grain, crinkled, wrinkled, wrong grain. Pay close attention to that, okay? So there's your mini lesson on cutting your Manila tag paper correctly.